Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to sort the columns by the value. So how to sort the columns by using the values in the Google Sheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to sort the column in Google Sheet? For an example, I just need to sort the column. This is a brand name. So this is every phone brand name, and this is a unit that I have on my shop. So this is an example. So I just need to sort the units. If you have 100 units or anything, if you have a class mock, you just need to pick the first rank student. You can just do this method, which is so useful. So just select the total columns that you just need to sort. Just right click here. Now you will see an option on the bottom called view more cell action. Just click on this and you will see an option called sort range. Click on this sort range. So here it's asking about how to sort. So we just need to sort this according with the values that on the column B. So you just need to select it on the column B. Now if you just need to A to Z or Z to A, so you just click on this sort option, which actually sort from A to Z, which is from small number to big number. If you need to make it on the big number to small number, click on this, right click here, click on view more cell action, click on the sort range and change to Z to A and just change to column B and click sort. You can see now MI has 100 unit, Vivo 50 units, Sony 12 units, and Apple 5 units, and Google 2 units. This is how you just make a sort the column on your Google Sheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.